I have a Toshiba TV connected to a soundbar using an optical cable, and I find that there's an audio lag. I have to reset it every time the TV turns off, or if it times out when the computer wants to go to sleep. Here's how I fix the problem. I'll hit play so you can hear the slight lag. There's a bit of an echo. So, I go into the menu, go into sound settings, go to digital audio output. By default, the audio delay was set to auto. I've set it to manual because I still had the problem with auto. And then I go to delay adjustment, and I found that 20 milliseconds seems to do the trick. But even with the setting set, you see it's not working. So every time I have to redo it, basically I just go in here, change it, and there you go. It's back in sync. And 20 seems to work, so I just leave it at 20, but I bring it back. Save it, and exit. Unfortunately, I have to do it every time, but maybe this will help you.